Users of accounting information. In any organization, there may be various people who actually need the accounting information for various purposes, right? There we have two category of users. One is the internal user, the second one is external user. So here, who are the internal users? Okay, so internal users are those people who are directly involved in the business organization. Okay, there are three internal users. One is owners, the second one management, and the third one employees. So let's see the explanation or the users of internal users of accounting. First, owners. Owners must know how the business is being run, whether it is run on a profit or a loss during a particular period. Okay, so in a in an accounting period, if the business is doing good, then the owners may get interest to invest more amount in the business, or they will see how the future prospects will be for that particular business. The second one is management. So here the management must know the accounting data, because these people are the ones who take decisions based on the sales or purchases, and also depending upon the efficiency of the employees, and also they compare the profitability of various departments of same industries, okay, or the same company, maybe 2 years comparisons. All those things can be done based on the accounting data, so that it helps the management to plan for the upcoming years in the business organization. The third one, employees. Why employees are interested is based on the profits whatever the business earn, the salary or the remuneration of the employees also can be higher. Okay, when the profit is more, obviously there will be a certain amount of increment on an year to their employees. So depending upon the remuneration and the working condition, these benefits can be enjoyed by the employees. The next topic is external users. External users are those people who are not directly involved in the organization, but they also need information since they are the outsiders. Okay, so number one, creditors and the financial institutions. Basically, creditors are the people who supply goods to the business on credit, which means we get the goods now but we'll be paying it later. So creditor must know whether we are able or capable to pay back the debt whatever we have got. Okay, and also financial institutions are like banks or any other private institutions where we maybe got some loan, and they must know whether we are in a position to repay, or whether we have the capacity of repaying from our business or not. The second one is investor. Investor are the people who are like, maybe they invest in the form of shares, invest in the form of assets. Okay, so maybe if a person has say a certain amount wherein he is interested in investing in some business, then he will analyze which organization is doing good in their business. And because based on the performance of the business, whatever the person is investing, his finance is also finance also has the same risk bearing capacity there. That is, if I am say investing 1 lakh, my savings of 1 lakh is being invested, so I must know whether where I am investing will give me certain amount of profit or not. If I know that the organization is doing good, automatically I'll invest my amount. Okay. The third one is customers. Why do the customers need accounting information is, maybe you buy a certain product always. Okay, so you will know, you will automatically come to know about the details of the products, and also you will know whether there will be any price change in the product, in the product, because it affects the organization. Again, you also must be, that is the customer also must be interested to know whether the enterprise is earning profit or not, so that they can supply the products continuously. Okay. Fourth person is the tax authorities and other regulatory bodies, that is the tax authorities. So why do the tax authorities know how the business is doing? Because depending upon the profits of the business, the organization has to pay income tax to the department. It can be taxes on the income, it can be taxes which is being imported from other countries or other states, and also taxes whatever we can collect, whatever the government can collect from the business organization. So to know all the information related to a business organization, about their profit, about their business aspects, then tax authorities must know the data whatever the business is producing. Then government, the fifth person is government. Why do government know this? Why do government know the accounting data of the organizations? Why is because the government directly cannot invest in all types of businesses, and they cannot uh, enforce employees and so on in all the resources. So what they will do is they will privatize certain departments. So based on wherever the development is required, maybe in the form of trade or industry, or any scarce resources to be allocated, or any subsidy is to be given, that is tax relaxation is to be given. So for all these, the government will require accounting data from the business organizations. Then researchers. Why researchers are involved is, they actually use these financial statements for their analysis purpose. Okay, they evaluate how they are performing, whether they are going good in a prospective and quantitative and qualitative manner. So for those researchers, again, this accounting data is required. Then the last user, external user, is general public. We all must also know how the business is doing. We all must be like buying a certain product again and again. So we must know why that particular product alone is being bought by every person in the society. Maybe the product, the color, the flavor, all those, it maybe the food product is like appetizing. So all those things must be known. So we also need accounting information as a general public, because we are the ones who purchase the products, right? So obviously we must know what type of product they produce, what is its area of operations, whether it is food or whether it is any other industry, textile, cotton, whatever it is. So we must know what type of an industry it is, how the employment opportunities are being provided to each people, okay, to the local people especially. So all these informations will depend only on the accounting processes. Okay, so these are the various internal and the external users of accounting information.